Hey kids, and welcome to day 14 of A Very Windows Christmas. So for day 14, what we're going to do is we're going to be installing and exploring Windows NT 5.0 build 1671. Windows NT 5.0 was the project that became 2000, and this is a beta 1 build of it. Well, it is the beta 1 build, you know? So, yeah, there's a lot of early features that weren't seen in 2000, and yeah, that's cool. So, let's get started. Here you go, 1671/B. Okay, DI386. Boop. There we go. Alright. Let's take out... Actually, no, we don't need to take it out. Just need to restart. Welcome to setup. Okay. I agree. Select that. Select that. And we're going to leave the current file system intact. Alright. Let's do this. Alright. Let's restart. Again. Very different looking setup here. Floppy disk and a CD here. And just as Windows NT setup, as opposed to Windows 2000 setup. And the overall thing just looks different too. Alright, please wait while setup prepares your Windows NT directory for installation. Oh yeah, also the setup background here is different from the final version. It's just the regular NT4 setup background as opposed to, you know, the more stylized one we got in 2000. Install devices. Sure. Typical. Sure. It's TWF. TWF co. Computer name. Make it build. Build 1671, because that's the build we're installing. Of course. No, do not create an emergency disk. I don't want that. Games. Of course, we're going to need that. We don't need accessibility options. Don't need communications. Networking options. Nah. Do you want to install networking now? No. Finishing setup. We'll just leave it out of that. True color. 1024x768. Test. Looking good to me. Yes. Okay. Okay. And now it's configuring my computer to run Windows NT. Well, you can just skip the file. Skip it. No. And there we go. Windows NT 5.0 is now installed. We'll just take the CD out. I'm not sure if we need the sound drivers. Alright. Well, let's just see. Control F12. Okay. We don't have that startup sound, but whatever, it's fine. So yeah, by default, it has active desktop, which I hate. So let's just not do that. And yeah. So as you can see, it has this feature. Now, this feature enabled by default, where, you know, if you hover over the icon, it selects it, and if you click it once, it opens. You got Minesweeper. You gotta play this. Ooh. Now, that's quite a lot, so Now, there's one right here. I'm going to say there's... They're all right there. Okay, let's just try open Internet Explorer. So as you can see, we got a version 4.0, but it's a beta version. Also got Outlook Express. Very realistic icons. Yep. And, yeah, look at this. The active channel viewer. The channel viewer is a full screen window that you can use to view channels. Oh, look at this. Show desktop. This wasn't in a retail version of Windows until Windows 7. So, yeah, if I just have some windows open, like this, right? I need to see my desktop. And then it can show all the windows again. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for Windows NT 5.0 build 1671. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Ugh.